In this video, we're going to learn how to create dynamic routes in Flask using URL parameters. That means your website can respond differently depending on what's in the URL. Pretty cool, right? You're already familiar with the basic Flask setup. We import Flask, create an app, and run it with debug equals true. Nothing new there. But now I'm showing you a new piece of code on the screen. This part creates a route that accepts a variable from the URL, in this case, a username. When someone visits a URL like /hello Schofield, Flask grabs that Schofield part and shows a personalized message. Let's test it out. First, we run our main.py file. Then in the browser, we visit /hello Schofield. And boom, you should see hello Schofield. Let's try another one. Now try going to /hello Abruzzi. And just like before, you'll see hello Abruzzi. Simple, right? That's how easy it is to work with dynamic routes in Flask. All right, that's it for this video. In the next one, we'll keep building on this and explore even more powerful features. See you there.